Do children need to eat their greens? Yes, they do. Greens are an essential part of their healthy diet. As you can see from our teeth and those of herbivores, they are designed for plant-based diets. Some of the strongest animals in the world are herbivores. Gorillas, elephants, rhinos, and the hippopotamus. They are the strongest animals due to them eating plant-based diets. They eat plenty of green vegetables and leafy greens. They are strong and healthy, and we should follow suit too. Greens also give energy to our bodies. If you're thinking of ways to get more greens into your children's diet, it's very, very easy. You can get them to have spinach, kale, broccoli, green beans, okra. There are plenty of green vegetables out there. Darker greens have more nutritional value, such as spinach, watercress, and kale. They are higher in magnesium, iron, folic acid, vitamin K, and some dietary fiber. Some of the greens also contain vitamin C and vitamin A. They can be lightly cooked, steamed, and incorporated into soups and salads. One recipe idea is to do some stir-fried broccoli in some olive oil, and you can sprinkle that with sesame seeds and tahini. Children need at least 4 portions of vegetables a day. If they can get between 4 to 7, that's enough. Did you know that a portion of broccoli is only 2 broccoli florets? So you can see that it's very easy to get greens into the diet, and the portion sizes are not a lot. You can add greens to your children's diet in different ways, into salads, into smoothies, into shakes. Another benefit of eating greens is they are great for your gut health. This means that children are less likely to be constipated because of the fibre in the greens and also the vitamin C. It keeps their bowels moving and it supports their liver function. So in summary, try and get as many greens as you can in your children's diet. Get your children involved in cooking and prepping so they can see and name the foods that they are eating too. Get them excited about eating greens. As adults, you can also ensure that you do the same and your children will copy you as positive role models. Try and ensure that in addition to getting your greens, you're getting the other colours of the rainbow into your children's diets and plates. If you've liked the content of this video, please like and subscribe to this channel. Click on the link below to get further recipes and a summary of this video.